Hello, my name is Konstantin Mulyarchik. Me and my team from Belarusian State University will give you a short introduction into what is business analysis. Business analysis is a discipline that focuses on identifying business needs and determining business solutions to business problems. When you start considering business analysis, you can use customer and customers' needs as a starting point. When your customer is a company, there is always a specific group of people who make decisions. So, what does the customer want? Very often, they are not specific requirements but wishes. For example, a customer wants a ship, but also he wants it to fly, to be small, fast, comfortable, and romantic. So what does the customer really want? Business analysis circles around two key activities to answer this question. The first one is the identification of the requirements in the various streams of information. And second one is design of a proper solution that meets these requirements.